Magda Dziewguć, Google Cloud, is my next guest. Hello and thank you for joining me.
My pleasure, thank you.
Well, it's quite obvious statement that companies nowadays need leaders to thrive. The question is how to choose, how to select those leaders, what kind of competence they should have.
Well, I'll go back to your question because I would disagree that it's companies that need leaders. Companies are artificial set of assets. It's nothing that needs. Mm-hmm. It's actually a set of assets that should be multiplied to gain more value. It's people who need leaders, and in the world we're living right now, we see a huge crisis of leadership. All the conflicts, all the difficult situations, all the unanswered problems, not even addressed problems, are coming from the fact that we are facing incredible crisis of leadership, and people who are at the same time bombarded by the never-ending amount of information. They can't distinguish which are true, which are false, whom to believe, why to believe these sources, and how to assess them, are waiting for leaders to guide them, to tell them, to potentially show them how to move forward, how to go out of the crisis, how to build together a better future. And the more technology we will be seeing coming into our lives and taking tasks from us, doing stuff for us, making predictions, the more people will be lost, because at the end of the day, we feel when we interact with a human, and we all want to feel good. We all want to feel safe. We all want to feel comfortable and have a clarity about what's coming next. And this is where we need smart and people-oriented leaders.
So, but aside from that aspect of providing that feeling of safety and other invaluable things that you've mentioned, how can you tell when a leader is good, aside from those aspects?
You can't tell that the leader is good or bad. People can tell you that. Mm-hmm. And people are not telling that by just, sharing their experience, but people are voting with their legs. When there is a good leader in organization, when there is a good leader in society, where there is even a good leader in a country, people move. Like we could recently see in Poland incredible engagement into the voting. People voted with their legs because of looking for new leaders, because of disappointment with existing leaders, for various reasons. But the leadership somehow impacted them, influenced them, motivated them to do. The same is happening in organizations, like when there is a CEO who is not the right person for the job, people will be leaving this organization. When there is a leader who actually creates incredible atmosphere, people will be applying for a job in that organization. And it doesn't apply only to corporations. Like you can see it in a playground, for example, where there are great teachers taking care of the kids. There is a queue of parents waiting, applying for a place in that playground. So it applies absolutely to every aspect of our lives.
Magda Dziewguć, Google Cloud, was my guest. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.